In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Capcut to edit videos for Instagram in just 5 minutes. This quick and easy tutorial will guide you through the entire process, from downloading the app to sharing your polished video as a stunning reel on your Instagram profile. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to install the Capcut app on your device. Head over to the App Store if you're using iOS and download the app from there. Once you have Capcut installed, open it up and start a new project. This simple step sets the stage for all your creative editing. Now, with your new project open, it's time to import the video you want to work with. Select the video from your gallery that you'd like to edit and watch come to life. It's important to choose a video that you feel excited about, as you'll be spending time making it just right. With your video imported, the canvas is yours to edit. Begin by trimming or splitting the video to remove unwanted sections. Capcut offers intuitive and user-friendly tools like trim and split to help with this. Don't hesitate to cut out those parts that distract from your main message, keeping your video sharp and focused. Feeling good about the length? Great. Let's move on to adding some music. Tap on the audio option and you have the choice of selecting from Capcut's library or your personal music collection. Adding the right music can dramatically elevate the mood of your video, so take your time choosing a track that matches the vibe you're aiming for. Next, it's time to enhance the video with some effects. Capcut provides a rich array of filters, transitions, and animations. These elements can make your video visually appealing and fun to watch. Experiment with a few combinations until you're satisfied with how your video looks. Text overlays can also be a great addition to your video. By tapping the text option, you can insert captions or comments that help convey your message, add some humor, or tell your story more vividly. Before wrapping things up in Capcut, check that your video is in the right aspect ratio. For Instagram Reels, you'll want a 9:16 aspect ratio. You can adjust this by tapping on aspect ratio and selecting 9:16 to make sure it displays perfectly in the Instagram app. Once you've completed all your edits and are happy with the results, tap the export button to save your video to your device. With the video ready, it's time to move on to Instagram. Open the Instagram app and navigate to create a new reel by tapping the plus icon and selecting reel. Choose your newly edited video from your gallery and add any final touches such as captions, tags, and the perfect cover image to grab attention. Finally, when everything is in place, tap share to post your creation as a reel. And there you have it, you've successfully edited and shared a video on Instagram using Capcut. Enjoy the responses and engagement your creation receives. Don't forget to experiment with different styles and effects next time to keep your content fresh and exciting. Happy editing!